Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
Look, yeah, I keep a small circle round me like a hula hoop. People somehow jumping through and I'm like, homie, who are you? But now I'm learning that there's nothing really you can prove. Staying focused to the blues, now I'm getting fewer views, ayy. Now bro, don't battle me or you will lose. They keep on sleeping on me, wake up and you hitting snooze. I'm not a game or something, you can just come pick and choose. They gonna start calling me Trey, cause I'm getting views, but a motherfucker never wanna get another problem. Got the drive, they all can laugh, I'm busy, I won't call you back, you all just slack. If I don't make it, it's just me and you. If I haven't beat your ass, don't give me a reason to, Count on me to bring the party back. You should know I hardly slack, I blow up like an army pack. I just started to grow as in my fucking music garden has. Rapping so my jaws break, no candy, it's a shark attack.
Cast me far, ladies to me, acting okay, today. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
If you ain't heard, joggers next up on the list. Cause I never call it quits, I just ball so I get rich. And now I'm doing it, I'm proving it to all the ones who doubt it. While all these haters fucking do is bitch about it. I keep snapping when rapping, these girls be passing for action. And haters cracking and laughing, I got that passion for Jackson. Like when I step up on the beat and a motherfucker never wanna see defeat. Y'all can read between the lines while I read between the sheets. Okay, I ball like Wilson or Castaway. All these other people just wanna pass the J, but I pass the day, don't laugh at me bitch, cause I've already laughed away. And I could lie and say it's gonna be alright, but when we do the shit we do, it's gonna be all night.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
Look, yeah, I keep a small circle round me like a hula hoop. People somehow jumping through and I'm like, homie, who are you? But now I'm learning that there's nothing really you can prove. Staying focused to the blues, now I'm getting fewer views, ayy. Now bro, don't battle me or you will lose. They keep on sleeping on me, wake up and you hitting snooze. I'm not a game or something, you can just come pick and choose. They gonna start calling me Trey, cause I'm getting views, but a motherfucker never wanna get another problem. Got the drive, they all can laugh, I'm busy, I won't call you back, you all just slack. If I don't make it, it's just me.
So that this side fall long. Yeah.
He had to fall long in every ride. He had to do that. We walk and not tired, and right and tired.
Pull it back out of there.
Ladies
Right.
to me, acting all okay, today. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright,
No, before you.
had no need to fight tonight.
If you ain't heard, joggers next up on the list. Cause I never call it quits, I just ball so I get rich. And now I'm doing it, I'm proving it to all the ones who doubt it. While all these haters fucking do is bitch about it. I keep snapping when rapping, these girls be passing for action. And haters cracking and laughing, I got that passion for Jackson. Like when I step up on the beat and a motherfucker never wanna see defeat. Y'all can read between the lines while I read between the sheets. Okay, I ball like Wilson or Castaway. All these other people just wanna pass the J, but I pass the day, don't laugh at me bitch, cause I've already laughed away. And I could lie and say it's gonna be alright, but when we do the shit we do, it's gonna be all night.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
I don't know. Anybody? Nobody?